Hey friends, it's Arika. Welcome back. I hope everyone is having a great start to their July. I can't believe that the summer in my mind, it's already almost over. August, I feel like, is the last month of summer, even though technically September and sometimes even into October is pretty warm. Anyways, so our July is starting off great because my father-in-law is coming to visit and it'll be his first time meeting Caius, which is fun. So that kind of prompted this whole video because I just wanted to quickly refresh the house before he came. So first I'm just starting with a load of laundry. I'm going to do some towels first, and I like to just get a load of laundry going so that can start cleaning and be done by the time that I'm done cleaning the rest of the house. So I'm just going to start cleaning in the kitchen, and then I'm going to kind of go in order of the house. So I'll do kitchen, dining room, outside, living room, guest bathroom, nursery, guest bedroom. And then the only thing I'm really doing in our bedroom is cleaning the sheets. As you could see in the previous clip, our bedroom is just a mess. Like, the bedroom, I have so many big plans for the bedroom, but I don't know when I'm going to actually get to, kind of redoing the bedroom. So for now, just ignore it. I probably won't really show it too much in my videos until it gets revamped.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Okay, and then I'm totally going against what I already said. I'm kind of going out of order. Like I said, I wanted to do the kitchen and then the dining room, so on and so forth. But Caius was getting a little fussy and I needed to put him down for a nap. So I just wanted to make sure I got all of his clothes put away in his room straightened up before I put him down for his nap. So that's what we're doing now. And then we're going to go back to the dining room.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Wow, I'm so dead. I literally just walked around the house for like 5 minutes trying to find my phone, and then I just realized that I'm recording with my phone.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright.
Okay, here we are, back on track. So in the dining room, straightening up the table. Someone please tell me I'm not the only one whose table is kind of like a catch-all for everything. I hate it. I always say I'm going to do better, and then here we are. Messy yet again.
Wanna do better. I don't know why. Like I'm better off.
Oh, also, we've been using the coasters that I made. Not only are they super cute, but they've held up really well too. So if you're interested in making cute photo coasters, or really you could do whatever you want with them, go ahead and check out my last video. And yes, I am lighting a Christmas candle in July. Alright, moving this party on outside. So, we've had these like pools, and there's a slip and slide out there and a tarp. We've had these sitting out in our yard for way too long. Derek was actually supposed to move them probably like a week ago, but he didn't, and that's okay. We're gonna give him grace. But now there's like brown patches in our yard, but again, it's totally fine. So that's what we're doing here, just kind of cleaning that stuff up and putting it in the shed.
Gotta water the roke.
Look at that handsome. Good? Okay.
You had to sneak in for a little more.
So I'm watching this bag and I'm just looking at these plants like they need some major help. I think the issue is that I put too many seeds in each pot, so like they don't have much room to grow. I don't know. Next year, I think we're gonna do an actual garden, so I mean, I'm excited for that. I think that I'm probably just gonna give up on these plants this year. I mean, I don't know. I seriously do not have a green thumb. I feel like I'm really great at homemaking and all of that kind of stuff, but gardening and that is just, it's just not for me. So a few days ago, I kind of went through and refreshed the house by doing other things like washing the couch covers and vacuuming the floors and cleaning the toilets and stuff. So all I'm going to do right now is flip over the cushions, and then I am going to sweep the floor rather than vacuuming. However, once I started sweeping, I was like, I just instantly regretted it because we have so much dog hair, and just the dog hair is just insane in this house. And so honestly, sweeping, I feel like I just kind of pushed it all around and I barely got any up. So I guess this is just your sign. Like, don't be like me. Don't cut the corners. If you know you need to like vacuum, just do it, because it's just not, it's not the same. Oh wait, I forgot this is out of liquid. Oh my god.
Do some Windex.
I found a refill.
Bro, we done had 4th of July decorations out for about 6 months.
We literally have had them out for like 2 months.
About 7 years we had them in. 7, 8 cheers.
And here I am cutting corners yet again by Swiffering instead of mopping. I mean, I did mop the floors the other day, but I mean, I'm literally Swiffering the whole living room. I'm not gonna tell you how to live your life, but if you're at the point of Swiffering your whole living room, you might as well just mop. What method is that?
That's the de-wizzy method.
Okay.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons.
Okay, moving on to the guest bathroom. I'm just clearing it out because we've been cloth diapering, and so I just hang them up once I rinse them out. And by the way, if you guys are interested in a video about cloth diapering, please let me know because I would be so happy to do one. We absolutely love cloth diapering, and I feel like once you find your process, then it works really well. So with the guest bathroom though, like I said, I already cleaned the toilets the other day, so all I really needed to do was wipe down the counters. And last but not least, the guest bedroom. I'm just going to straighten up in here and then put new linens on the bed, and then you won't see it because I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But I just ended with vacuuming in here. Make sure you chop those pillows. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!